Hello friends, welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today under Amazing Math Tricks, we will see how we can multiply a number very easily and quickly using the Japanese multiplication trick. So let's see. So today we are going to look into the Japanese trick of multiplying two numbers. So let's see how Japan people they use this trick and they multiply two numbers very quickly within some seconds. Now let's see. Suppose I want to multiply two numbers like 13 into 12. Now what I will do, I will just draw lines in the form of this cross and I will solve this multiplication very quickly and very easily. See here the first digit is 13. So I will just draw one line because it is 1 here and I will draw 3 lines here below 2, 3. Now here it is 12. So just I will draw one line here and I will draw 2 lines here. Now I will count these points where the lines intersect. So here it is 1, here it is 2 and here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and here it is 3. Now just I will add these two diagonal numbers and this is our answer. So see 6 I will put it in the units place and 3 plus 2 is 5 which will come in the middle and 1 in the hundred place. So that's all guys. Our answer is 156 if we multiply these two. Now we can move ahead quickly and we can solve another number. Let's say this time we are going to pick a number 21 into 32. So let's see. Just I will draw these lines 21 and 32 and I will solve this problem quickly. Like 21 into 32 is equal to 2. So I will draw 2 lines and here I will draw 1 line and 3 I will draw 3 lines 1, 2, 3 and 2 just I will draw 2 lines here. Now I will count this point of intersections 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1, 2, 3, 4 1, 2 and here it is 1, 2, 3. Now as usual I will add these two diagonal numbers and I will first put this 2 in the units place, then I will add this diagonal numbers. So 4 plus 3 is 7 and this one is 672. So we got our answer. Our answer is 672. You could see how quickly we solve this multiplication. Now let us move on and let's see if we can do the multiplication for a 3-digit number. Guys, the 3-digit number is also, we are going to multiply a 3-digit number in the same way. You could see that how easily and how quickly we can solve this problem. This multiplication trick is very easy. Okay, so now I'm going to pick up two numbers. Let's say the number is 312 into 243. Okay, so let's see how much we are getting. Now here it is 312. So I will draw 3 lines here first. 1, 2, 3 and 1 line in the middle and 2 line here. Okay. Now 243. I will draw 2 lines here and 4 lines 1, 2, 3, 4 and 3 lines. 3 lines like 1, 2, 3. Now you could see that like these lines looks very complicated, but it is not so. Just we'll count the number of points as usual 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and here it is 1, 2, here it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here it is 1, 2, 3. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4. And here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so you could see like I have place this. I have counted these numbers. I got these numbers like 6, 2, 4. Okay. Now what we'll do, we will just add these two. These we are going to add these diagonals. Okay. And similarly here we are going to add these numbers 12 plus 3, and we are going to add these 3 numbers. Okay, see how we are doing. So here it is 6, we will put 6 in the extreme left, and now we'll add 8 plus 3 is 11. So I will put 1 and another 1 is carry forwarded here. Then 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 4 17, and this one is 18. So I will write 8 and I will carry forward another 1. So 12 plus 2 is 14 and 1 is 15. So I will write 5 and I will carry forward 1. So 6 plus 1 is 7. You could see that we have got our answer. 75816 is the answer. Guys, I took some time because I am explaining you how to do, but you people can do it within seconds. Now let me show you another number. This time you can see that how quickly I am doing this number. It is super easy guys. Don't you feel that it is easy? Definitely it is easy. Just with the help of some lines we can solve big multiplications. Let us consider one more number, like this time 122 into 421, and let us see how much we are getting. So here it is 1, then here it is 2, just I will draw 2 lines and another 2 more lines, and 4, 1 2 3 4, and here 2, 1 2, and here 1. So 1, 2 lines for 2 and 2 lines for 2, and here it is 4 lines, this 4, and 2 lines for this 2 and 1 line. So here it is 1 2 3 4, here it is 1 2 3 4 and 4 8, and here it is 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, here also we are getting 8, and now here it is 1 2 3 4, here we are getting 4, and 1 2 3 4, here we are getting 4, and 1 2, here we are getting 2, here we are getting 1, here we are getting 2. Now we are going to here we are getting 2. Just we will add this. Let me put this 4 in the middle so that it will be easy, it will not come. So here we are going to add these 2 diagonals. Similarly these 2 diagonals we are going to add, and center 3 numbers we are going to add. Okay, now here it is 2, so I will write 2 in the units place. 4 plus 2 is 6, and now it is 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 13, 1 is carry forwarded. Now it is 8 9 10 11, again 1 is carry forwarded. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So my answer is 51362. You guys could see that how quickly we worked out this calculation. Guys, I hope you understood this calculation. Still, if you have any questions or doubts, please write to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.